Hello! Let's talk about Salon Care 20 volume developer. Now this is a clear developer. They have different consistencies than the cream ones. Developer is used in the hair dyeing process. It usually is to activate the bleach. So when you're putting bleach on your hair, that's a pretty heavy substance. And just putting plain bleach on it doesn't really activate it. And I'm not talking about the bleach underneath the kitchen cabinet. I'm talking about hair grade, like hair dyeing products that involve bleach. So that kind of bleach. And yes, that kind of bleach still burns, but it's definitely not as damaging to your hair. So we do have right here this plastic white bottle with a blue cap, 20 volume. So these are about, basically the numbers on this are how much lift it gives you. So 20 is a little bit, it's like on the lower side. So when I use the 20 volume developer, I usually plan to do something very kind of dark. I don't want it to fully be bright, and you know, right now I have Elmo red hair, but when I use this, it goes more into a dark, deep red color. And so that's the power of the volume. So you usually mix this with bleach. I usually use L'Oreal High Color Highlights for dark hair, and that already has bleach built into it, so I don't usually need to worry about kind of finding that bleach and mixing all that. I just mix it directly into my hair dye, which is, you know, very convenient if you ask me. Bleaching can be damaging to your hair, but you do what you gotta do, I guess. It's 16 fluid ounces, 473 milliliters. And it does not smell fantastic, but that's what dyeing your hair is. I have never met anybody who has dyed their hair that has claimed for it to smell wonderful. It's a known fact in the hair dyeing community that it does not smell good, and I'm sure this contributes to it. But it definitely doesn't, you know, carry on to the next room. It's not that strong. I got this at a beauty supply store. The sales associate pointed this out to me when I was looking for a more low-key developer that worked really well, and this one was a great one. So I don't use this that often because I dye my hair twice a year with this. Usually I dye my hair every 2 months, but I'll only use the 20 volume one, you know, not very often. I like my hair to be very vibrant. However, I'm a strong advocate for this product. I've had it for about 4 months, I think. Yes, 4 months. And it's very liquidy, so you have to really use a container to put it in. And it always depends on the product you use and what your hair is like to know exactly how long you're supposed to keep it on your scalp for. So for me, with my hair dye, I usually keep it on for about an hour, but it really varies, and I suggest that you look at your hair dye or bleach's instructions on the box to really know. Don't just take my word for it based on my situation. So Salon Care is a company that provides many different beauty supplies. That means gloves and other items like brushes for your hair or pins to even hold your hair back while you're hair dyeing. And so it's one of those products that you kind of find their basic products in the beauty supply store. I got mine at Sally's Beauty Supply. And I really suggest looking into this product. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.